You have to cut very, very, very thin. We have a few teachers who come in to kind of learn how to cook, basic knife skills, and so they're in here working with some of my students, working with me, and then eventually they'll make a stir fry and be able to take dinner home tonight.
Been a lot of fun so far. Starting with the vegetables and cutting the meat, making the marinade and the stir fry sauce. I've learned some excellent knife skills. The chef had some great demonstrations.
Your meat is going to go straight into the middle. My suggestion though is to add a small drop of oil right to the middle.
The students have been here and they've been really helpful. They've answered a lot of my questions because I've had a lot of questions. And it's just been a great experience because as a teacher, I'm getting to ask the questions and I get to be on the other side.
I feel like a teacher right now. Being able to teach the teachers is pretty fun also, but I think it's pretty hard too because I'm still learning myself.
This is teaching me the proper way, so when I'm teaching my sons what to do, I now have the right way to teach them and not just mom does it this way. Now I can say, I learned from chef and the students in the culinary program the proper way to hold the knife.
I think the best students are the ones who are also able to teach. And so seeing my students be able to guide these teachers, I think, one, it gives them a boost of confidence, but it also gives me a lot of reassurance that there's something going on here that's right. Thank you for coming out and thank you for checking out this new program that we're trying to start up. And hopefully you guys can join us again. Thank you.